Did you know that by 2025, the AI market is expected to be worth over $190 billion? But here's the real question: what is DeepSeek AI, and why is everyone talking about it? Stick around, because today we're diving into one of the most exciting advancements in artificial intelligence. Welcome back to Vaulty Tech, where we explore the latest in technology and innovation. In this video, we're breaking down DeepSeek AI, what it is, how it works, and why it's shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Let's get started. So, what exactly is DeepSeek AI? In simple terms, DeepSeek AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform designed to analyze, predict, and optimize complex systems. It uses cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to process massive amounts of data and deliver actionable insights. Think of it as a super smart assistant that can solve problems faster and more accurately than traditional methods. Here's what makes DeepSeek AI stand out. Deep learning capabilities. It can analyze unstructured data like images, text, and audio. Real-time predictions. It provides instant insights for decision-making. Scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, DeepSeek AI can adapt to your needs. User-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Industry-specific solutions. It's tailored for healthcare, finance, retail, and more. DeepSeek AI isn't just a theoretical concept, it's already making waves in the real world. For example, in healthcare, it's helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. In finance, it's predicting market trends and optimizing investment strategies. In retail, it's personalizing customer experiences by analyzing shopping behavior. The possibilities are endless. So, why should you care about DeepSeek AI? Because it's not just for tech giants, it's for everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about the future, understanding AI is crucial. DeepSeek AI is a glimpse into how technology can make our lives easier, smarter, and more efficient. And that's a wrap on DeepSeek AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vaulty Tech for more tech insights. Got questions about AI? Drop them in the comments below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.